Hello and welcome to Homey Huts. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the reservations tab in the host control center. So this section helps you manage all your bookings in one place, whether they come from Homey Huts directly or from other travel platforms. So what you'll see in the reservations, first is all bookings in one place. So you can view the confirmed bookings from Homey Huts or from other OTAs or the cancelled one. So here is the booking ID, the source from where your booking was, like MMT, Airbnb, GoIBO or Homey Huts. So you can see the upcoming status, cancelled, completed, and their guest IDs and for which property it was with the check-in and check-out date. So from here you can search the booking ID and also the source, like from where the booking was, from Agoda, Airbnb or any OTA. So suppose if you just want to see for Airbnb, you can click on that and see the completed or the upcoming bookings. Next is for all properties, like if you want to search a specific property, you can just search that property and check the booking for that and the date range. So from which date range to end date you can select and see like how many bookings are there in that specific date. So next is arriving soon. So here you can see like the properties which are uh, in the upcoming status, and next is the pending review. So here you need to check if the reviews are pending for your property. You can see from here and ask the guest for the reviews. Then next is check-in, check-out. So here once you click, you can see the booking for that day and when is the check-in and check-out with the date and timing. In the next tab, it is the booking request. So from here you can either see like if you want get a booking through a WhatsApp, or like if you get bookings through any OTA, you can see if you want to accept it or decline it. That is on you. Next is the ongoing status. So here you can see like the properties which the guests have checked in for today and the checkouts, and next is the upcoming one. So here you can check the upcoming, like when are the bookings coming and from which date to which date. The completed ones will show here, like all the completed bookings and all. Then you can see and like search for the specific booking if you want to check the data, and the cancelled ones. And if you just want to go through the summary for all the bookings, you can go through this like last 7 days, 30 days, and 12 months. Yes. So that's is that this tab is like for you to stay organized and to reduce double bookings by syncing all the sources. You can track like guest details, check in, check out dates, the booking amount, and view receipts all in one place. So thank you for watching this video. So the host control center is a complete tool to manage everything like your booking, calendars, and payment. Yes, so if you have any doubt or you need any help, so our team will assist you. You can contact through WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.